Issuing materials to production just got a whole lot smoother. First things first, give that Add button a click. Next up, click on Part Selection button. A list will pop up. Just pick the specific part you're planning to manufacture. Once you select it, watch as all the important details like the input materials, current stock levels, validity, appear in the grid and the minimum manufacturing quantity automatically calculated. Pretty neat, right? Now, if your production is scheduled, simply enter the correct start date and time. If this part has been made before, the system will automatically fill in the end date and time for you. Otherwise, just update it manually. Time to specify how many you're making. Just enter in the manufacturing quantity, keeping in mind it should be no more than the minimum quantity. Ready to issue? Just give that Save button a click. If all the information looks good, the system will save everything and generate your production issue. See? Issuing materials is now a breeze. Isn't everything just great? Reach out to us at brs.softwaretech@outlook.com or visit our website to explore more. Whether you're curious, ready to get started, or just want to chat, we're here to help. We'd love to hear from you. Or, you can scan the QR code and send us a WhatsApp message. We will be pleased to get back to you.